Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you, honorable members.
Mihang'o ya uthurimi wa namba ya mathukuru ma muingi maria mari icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi hamwe na mihang'o ya utari wa namba ya arutwo aria mari oro thukuru iri gicunjĩ-inĩ kia 75 harĩ 100 kurikirira. Ministry ya githomo ikiuga mihang'o ĩno itanyitwo gukorwo ĩrĩkĩrĩire ihinda-inĩ rĩa mweri ũmwe ũkĩte.
That exercise is ongoing. We have done 75% of it. We have about 25% to go. And those anomalies are now being discovered. So what I would urge is that we will not be able to give you the full analysis as we speak until we complete.
Akiaria ricikaro-ini cia bunge ya Senate umuthi, Minister wa githomo Julius Ogamba neugite thirikari ni irikitie gutaukwo ati kuri na thukuru iria iri na arutwo nginyanagia 10 tu iria ikoretwo na mutugo wa gwitagia kigina kinene kuma kuri Ministry ya githomo ya kurugamirira mihang'o ya mathomo ma arutwo, undu uria augite ni ucungiriirie thirikari kurwo ni gicunjĩ kinene kia mbeca cia muingi.
If resources were sent to a bank for school X, we'll have to find out who signed for those resources from that bank, and action will be taken, because that's criminal. So that is the reason why we are doing this verification, in order for us to be able to know for sure how many students do we have, how many learners do we have in each stage.
Kurumiriro Ogamba ni ugete thirikari iri na mubango wa guturanira thukuru iria iri na namba nini ya arutwo niguo kunina muhinga uria ugumire sekta ino wigi ugai wa kigina na uria uroneka kuhotomia sekta ya githomo.
If we do not have the proper numbers, then you can't push for the proper budget. So that's why when we submit our budget to Parliament and to Treasury, it is slashed, because we do not really agree, all of us as government, as to what is the actual number of students that we have. That's why we said, let's do a verification exercise so that for sure we know what number we have. When we submit our budget, it will not be subject then to slashing, because the numbers will be known by everybody.
Kuhana ũguo Ogamba ni aniriire ati thirikari igukorwo ikirekereria kigina kia mahuthiro ma mathomo kuri thukuru iria itafanĩirio uthurimi ni ministry yake tamu-ini ya gatatu mwaka uyu.
What we decided to do is, after the Auditor General flagged out that she had done a specific audit for the last 4 years, a forensic audit for the last 4 years, where they discovered discrepancies, we decided as a ministry in this third term to only release resources to schools where we have verified the number of students that have been enrolled.